Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Anantapur location. It is from Andhra Pradesh. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in RDP Workstations Private Limited. They are looking for support coordinator. Coming to the experience required for this job role, that is 0 to 3 years is required. Freshers also can apply for this job role. Coming to the responsibilities, serve as an escalation point for customer concerns when they arise, identify appropriate solution to achieve client satisfaction on time, maintaining positive relationships with customers, identifying customer needs and overseeing service delivery within the business context, leading the service delivery team, managing conflict and ensuring the team's process and tasks are carried out effectively, determining ways to reduce costs without sacrificing customer satisfaction, assessing customer feedback and using your creativity to establish, improve and refine services, remaining organized and meeting deadlines, building partnerships and liaising with team leaders to determine the company's services, delivery criteria and solutions for issues that may arise. These are the job responsibilities. To the requirements for this job role, that is a bachelor's degree is preferred and experience in customer service, leadership and logistics may be advantageous. Good computer skills and the ability to use business support software, good resource planning skills, excellent leadership and customer service skills, strong teamwork skills and attention to detail, skill sets, customer handling skills, presentation skills and problem solver, good communication and computer knowledge is required. These are the requirements for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for assistant manager PLCS growth. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, track and improve key performance indicators such as query resolution time, repeat queries, etc. Liaise with sales team and IT team to ensure reduction of sales queries and bottlenecks. Build various process or policy checks on SFDC workflow to ensure minimum leakages downstream by working closely with IT or COE teams. To liaise with IT team, operations and other team to ensure early resolution of sales query. Support regular and ad hoc data analysis on business metrics. Coming to the required qualifications and experience, graduate or postgraduates are preferred with relevant experience of 1 to 2 years of prior work experience in the financial services industry would be an added advantage for this job role. Along with excellent communication skills, exceptionally high motivational levels and needs to be a self-starter. These are the required qualifications and experience required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in RTP Workstations Private Limited. They are looking for product engineer. Coming to the experience required, that is 0 to 3 years is required. Coming to the position summary, this position envisions product development and manages projects through completion, analysis, designs and develops hardware enhancements, testing, verification and validation and new modules, manages development projects from initial design through testing while providing strategic management direction, and experienced in all these phases of hardware development life cycle, including requirements analysis, component selection, design, development, testing and documentation. Coming to the desired skills and experience, like product development, development projects and providing strategies. These are the desired skills and experience required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in RDP Workstations Private Limited. They are looking for a supply chain executive. Coming to the experience required, like 2 to 3 years of experience required for this job role. Coming to the responsibilities, the candidates are responsible for the day-to-day operations of stores, preparing GRN and posting in ERP, to manage the day-to-day operations of the store as per SOP, to conduct or assist periodical stock auditing, issuing production material as per SO and the production calendar, intimating the products which are less than the threshold to procure, should work on MPS, MRP and EMS, creating vendor bills, reporting day-to-day status to reporting manager. And these are the responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the desired skills and experience, the candidates should have skills in these ones like logistics, supply planning, inventory, sourcing, vendor, like that. Here some given. You can check once. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in HTP Financial Services Limited. They are looking for sales executive, that is looking emerging marketing person with good communication skills and indirect knowledge. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, a sales manager is required for the Swiggy. They are looking for a sales manager, and coming to job description, like sign contracts with restaurants along and handling the inquiries from existing and new clients, gather sales leads from the market and approach restaurants actively from no star to 5 star and get them on board with Swiggy as a partner, maintaining a strong relationship with restaurant owners and advising them on issues related to the market and offering solutions on the same. And coming to the desired candidate, graduate with 2 years plus of experience in sales domain is required, good working knowledge and experience of e-commerce activities on all online marketing channels, confident, pleasing and a go-getter personality, effective communication skills, attitude and aptitude for sales, should be a team player and working alongside people from all walks of life, and analytical and good Excel skills are required. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in RDP Workstations Private Limited. They are looking for technical support engineer. Coming to the experience required, that is 0 to 3 years is required. Coming to the job responsibilities, like technical support engineer responsibilities include resolving network issues, configuring operating systems and using remote desktop connections to provide immediate support, and you will use email and chat applications to give clients quick answers to simple IT issues. For more complex problems that require a nuanced instruction, and you will contact clients via phone and or provide clear and written instructions and the technical manuals. Coming to the qualifications for this job role, that is, to be qualified for this job role, you should hold a degree in a relevant field like computer science, IT or software engineering, Microsoft, Cisco, Linux or similar certification is a plus, and if you are naturally a helper, enjoy assisting people with computer issues and are able to explain technical details simply, and we'd like to meet you, and ultimately you will be a person our customers trust. These are the qualifications for this job role and responsibilities. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in TIME, Triumphant Institute of Management Education. They are looking for faculty requirement, and experience will be 0 to 3 years is required, and English faculty recruitment is going on. And coming to the desirable qualifications like BA or MA or MPhil or PhD in English literature or English language, and prior teaching experience is desirable. Good communication skills, and candidates who have earlier appeared in CAT and have secured good percentiles may also apply. And good work environment and attractive pay package will be provided. This is a description about the qualifications. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Probus Insurance Broker Limited. They are looking for back office coordinator. Coming to the responsibilities of candidates includes mainly filling documentation, other office work related to the business, knowledge of computer, calling to customers, and candidate from insurance background will be preferred. And the salary will be 9,000 plus to 15,000 per month will be given. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening available in the Trellis School. They are looking for pre-primary teacher. Coming to the education required, that is bachelor's degree is preferred along with bachelor's degree in early childhood education or a related field required, and EAC certified, 2 years plus experience in working with children in a classroom setting, strong knowledge of queries standards, caring and nurturing attitude towards children, excellent verbal and written communication skills are required. This is about education. Coming to the experience required, that is teaching experience 1 year is preferred and total work, that is 1 year is preferred. Coming to the salary, it would be 15,000 plus to 13,000 plus per month. This is about the job description. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.